What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. Today I want to give a special shout out to everybody that's following the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Make sure you guys click that subscribe because 70% of you guys haven't clicked the subscribe and you guys always watch my videos. So make sure you guys click that subscribe down below. Also, join the Patreon. All right, so join the Patreon, become a Rich Gang member, and basically I'm about to be giving free merchandise, free gear, free t-shirts, hats, hoodies, decals, and etc. Everything that come out with the Immortal Society stuff, you guys will get free merch, and trust me, it's gonna be dope. So make sure you guys go down there in the description. It's going to be a link to the Patreon. Make sure you guys join and show support. That's the best way you guys can show me support. Shout out to you guys. But today we're about to do two little things. I have to change some lights. I have a lot of modifications and parts and stuff that I've been having for my cars that I just never really got around to doing. So I'm gonna just try to do it. And this is my first time ever trying to do some type of wiring to my car. So shout out to my homie Flash. He bought me a birthday gift last month. Him and the wife, they bought me these lights. So basically, I'm gonna take my 350Z, the Z badges, and then I put the lights on, and it's gonna basically be like a blinker light and stuff like that. It's gonna look super nice, especially at nighttime. So I never done this before. I'm gonna just try to do it and figure it out. So we're gonna do that, and also I have to change all my lights to my Integra, and my dog keep barking. My dog is annoying. Anyways, let's go outside. Let's see what I gotta do. You gotta use this, and basically, shout out to Flash, man. Thank you, bro, for this again. So basically, we're gonna take this off. Take this off. We're gonna take the other one off, and basically, we're gonna help it light up, which is gonna be fucking amazing. And I've been having this, I just never got a chance to do it. He was gonna help me, but I said, let me just try to learn how to do some shit on my own. Also on the Integra, I gotta change one of the lights in the front, but let's see what I gotta do here. It's my first time doing some shit like this. Pray for me, y'all. All right, come to find out, I can't do it. The problem is this thing that Flash gave me is for 370Zs. It's not for 350s, so I can't use it. So I can't use it. I guess I give it to my little brother now. So I gotta pop this back on. And yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work for my car. But you know. Alright, how the hell I gotta do this? Oh, there you go. Alright, cool. Alright. So I had to put that back on. So unfortunately, yeah, like I said, this is for 370Zs, not for a 350Z. So I'm gonna get this to my little brother. I would love to put it on, but I had a feeling that wouldn't work because the way this one looks compared to like how the badges look on the Z, on the 70. So this doesn't work, unfortunately. So I just give it to my little brother. But for the Integra, let's see, I gotta pop the hood up, and yeah, Integra. I actually gotta let this one kind of run a little bit. Let's see, I gotta open up the hood. Oh man, whew. Haven't drove this car in a minute. All right, so I turn the lights on like that. So I'm gonna turn the light on. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So as you can tell, the main the low beams, it works over here, but it doesn't work over there. So I have to change the bolt. I already bought them. I was trying to change it before. It was a nightmare. The way it looked like the previous owner had kind of did something different that was different from that side for me to undo it. So I'm about to do it now, and let's do this. I have to let this run a little bit. So let's turn this off. All right, so That's that. Let's go under the hood. Looking under the hood, the thing is, see how this one is? This one's easier. This is the low beam. Way easier. All you gotta do is pull that, blah, blah, blah. But this one over here, they did something else with this one. So I don't know how the hell I'm gonna take this one off. I don't know how they did this one. There's two different ones. You look over there, you look right here. So I'm trying to figure out, how do I take this out? So let me get the lights. All right, y'all, so today's the second day. Got the light I gotta replace for the Integra. And yeah, it's time to go to the store and go get the blue light bulb that we gotta replace this one for. Awesome. Let me give a happy birthday shout out to my mother. Yesterday was her birthday, so that's why I kind of ended the video short. I want to give a special shout out and happy birthday to my mom. Love you. But like I said, we are about to go to AutoZone and go get the right lights. Let me put this here. So we're about to go get the lights. Get the light for the Integra. So there is something that I've been thinking about with the Integra, and I want you guys to go in the comments down below. It's time to get that car repainted. I know I was going to keep the original paint, but it was an issue with that. The company was just lacking. I had paid. It took over a month to get any information back. So with that being said, I'm just going to paint it a different color, and I've kind of been thinking about painting it a different color. So there's like 3 options in my head that I would love to paint that car, and I think it would be awesome. And let me know down below in the comments. Now I have 3 options. I want you guys to go down below and give me your opinion what color I should do my Integra. I'm thinking about either white, a black, or I am thinking about yellow. And yellow, the reason why I picked those colors, those are 3 traditional OEM dope type art Integra colors. So with those 3 colors would be dope. I'm more lenient to the black and white, but I would consider it yellow. So let me know in the comments down below what color you guys think would be dope. At the end of the day, I'm gonna make my own decision, but I would love to listen to you guys' opinion and see what I need to do, because I'm just gonna take it to, I'm gonna take the Integra to the paint shop and just get that car painted and make it look super, super nice, because that's what it needs. It needs a real nice paint job. And then I can get the wing for the car and everything. So let me know down below. In my bed, I'm putting this lotion on. Make sure you guys go get this lotion from Bath and Body Works. This lotion is amazing. All right, cool. So got the stuff right here. Let's go to the car. So to replace this one, this is the old one that I had in my Integra. So if you have an Integra and you have this particular one, the code is HB49006. And you see right here is the 9006 one. It only cost me about 13 bucks plus tax, so I spent like 15 bucks. But this is what I needed, and we're good. So let's go put this in Integra, and we are good. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's see what we do. Bam, bam, bam. All right, y'all, so take this out. All right, so this is the new one. Nice and good. And like I said, you need this one. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna plug it up into this, line it up, and then we should be good. So let me set the camera like this. right, so this is how it goes in. Got it locked up. All right, y'all, so we finally finished the Integra. Changed out the lights, so everything is good to go. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And like I said, if you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys go join the Patreon. It's down below in the description. It's the first link under the video. So make sure you guys go support. I truly appreciate you guys. And stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what it may bring, but let's go see. All right.